Hello everyone, Renu Masan here. Before some time, I have a knee problem. I have lots of pain, swelling, and I can't walk, I can't sit. Then doctors done my surgery, knee replacement. After surgery, doctor suggest me go for physio. So one of my friend suggest me Dr. Ravi, and then I contact Dr. Ravi. He came my home and he will start. After 2 3 days, I'm feel relax. Now less the pain, less the swelling. But after 15 20 days, no pain, no swelling, and now I walk properly. I'm driving, everything, and now back to my normal life. Thanks to Ravi, and thank you so much. You do very properly everything. So so guys, I'm always suggest, always recommend you, if you have any problem, please contact the Ravi. He is very good doctor, really. Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you, thanks a lot. God bless.